this is day 7. So, kinamay ko na lang yung almusal ko kaso yung mga aso abangers. So guys, bali pala under maintenance today ang pickup. So gagamitin natin yung isang sasakyan, yung Fortuner. Let's go to the site, guys. Guys, the good thing about Fortuner as compared to that Toyota Hilux, the pickup that I'm driving, this one you can adjust the seat up, so you can lift the seat. But in Toyota Hilux that I'm driving, no, you cannot adjust. You can just adjust front, back, forward, backward, but not to lift. So if you are short, guys, really it's hard to drive a big car. But if you get used to it, you can do just like me, because me, I'm short, guys. Like, it's a bit hard, you have to do like this. But if like Fortuner, you can lift the seat, like you can see properly the road. You know, it's important that you can see the road clearly. I see the cows, so they are crossing the road. Guys, here in Gambia, they are not tying the cows. They are free. Guys, I remember when I was in high school, I have this classmate. Her dream car is Fortuner. And like she's making an imagination that she's coming with the Fortuner. And it was like she's opening the door, you know, with high heels, flawless legs, and wearing a very shiny, shimmering dress. And like when she comes out from the car, everyone will look at her. It's a bit funny that time, you know, how she's telling this dream. But you know, guys, you can dream. You can dream anything you want. But if you dream, just dream big, guys, because it's free. And one day, if you pursue your dream will become the reality. Me, guys, before I don't have dream car. But when I get the chance to drive Fortuner, when I was working in Philippines before, like, I'm thinking that if I get money one day, I will buy Fortuner because I want SUV, you know. When you drive Fortuner, it's very smooth, and it's SUV, it's for family. Ang lakas ng hangin, guys, tsaka malamig din. Hopefully, the weather will be better today. So, nandito na tayo sa site, guys. So, guys, my workers, they are cleaning the panel manually.
Ramadan, Happy Mubarak, guys.
Happy?
Ramadan, Happy Mubarak.
Happy Mubarak.
Yeah.
Who they broke this water truck, guys? Who you broke this, huh?
Yeah.
What, yeah? You broke?
No, don't broke anything. I'm not taking anything.
Guys, we are cleaning the panels manually still, We have big challenge for our cleaning machine. Still, it's not yet fixed. And we are waiting for the material from China. The part. It's not easy, guys. Here in Gambia, you cannot find the materials that you need. So normally, you have to import it. You know this guys, these new cars, it's hard to find parts here as well. So guys, in small time I will go back to the house. Guys, babalik na tayo ng bahay. Guys, napanood ko pala yung balita sa GMA News na umiinit sa Pinas and may mga klaseng kinansela kasi nga sobrang init. So guys, please drink more water and eat healthy foods like vegetables. You know, minsan yung heat wave talagang maraming dinadaling tao yan na stroke, ganun, di ba? So please be healthy guys, stay fit. If you can exercise, do exercise, and at the same time drink more water and eat healthy foods. How are you? I want to buy credit but I need receipt. You can give me receipt. So I need to buy for 3 people. 1,000, 1,000, and 2,000. So guys, nakabili na tayo ng load. Nakapagpa-load na tayo. So guys, medyo mahal talaga yung load dito. Guys, dapat hindi pa ako magpapa-load. Nisip ko tanghali na lang sana, pero kasi ma-expire na yung internet data ko. So I decided to come here in Senegambia. Kasi dito guys, nagbibigay sila ng receipt. Sa tindahan kasi hindi sila nagbibigay. Kailangan ng kumpanya ng receipt. So I will go back now to the house guys. I'm hungry. Nasaan ang susi? Ilabas ang susi. I'm going back now guys. Atcha, let's go. Guys, nasa bahay na tayo. So kakain muna ako ng lunch.
Few moments later.
Sobrang init babalik na pala tayo nito ng site. Di ako natulog ng tanghali guys. Di na ako maasang lalaki pa ako. Guys, nandito na tayo ulit. So it's easy to get car by 7.
But maybe for people going maybe like Momodu and Ibrahim, it's kind of difficult for them.
It's kind of difficult to get a car vehicle.
By saying most of the drivers have gone home to breakfast.
To break the fasting.
Yes. So it's difficult to get it.
Guys, time to go. Guys, pala yung output today not bad. It's okay. So, hinihintay ko lang yung security na pagbuksan ako ng gate. Guys, that gate is very heavy for me. It's hard for me to open that. Share ko pala sa inyo kapag ka, di ba? Ewan ko. Siguro yung mga maliliit lang naman yung nakaka-relate dito. Itong sun visor na to. Kapag umaga guys, kahit ibaba ko to, walang talab. Tumatama pa rin talaga sa akin yung sikat ng araw. So, ang ending, kailangan magsuot ng shades. Pero kapag ganitong oras guys, mag-alas 5 na dito. Syempre, medyo mababa na yung araw. So, tumatalab naman siya. Natatakpan naman ang aking mga mata. Sana all matangkad, no guys? Pero God is fair. Hindi niya naman ibibigay sa iyo yan ng hindi yan para sa iyo. So tanggap ko naman yung sarili ko guys. Sana tanggap nyo rin yung sarili nyo. Charing. No, just be yourself, right? And just use what you have. So guys, malapit-lapit na ako sa bahay. I believe hindi ako magluluto dahil ang dinner time namin ay 5:45, something like that. So, kung ako yung magluluto, mga 6:30 na siguro kami magdi-dinner. So, tingin ko si Laojiang nagluluto na siya ng mga oras na yan. I-try kong ipakita sa inyo si Laojiang. Laojiang, kaya siya Laojiang guys. Lao means old. And then his family name is Jiang. So Laojiang, old Jiang. So I don't want to call him uncle. So I'm just calling him Laojiang. Lao in Chinese is old. Guys, nasa bahay na ako Medyo nag-aalala ako. Akala ko wala kaming bigas. Nag-aalala na yung Pinoy kasi alam niyo naman, sa Pinoy, rice is life. So, si Laojiang daw yung magluluto guys. Pakita ko na lang sa inyo yung pin-repair niya. So guys, ayan pala yung pin-repair ni Laojiang. So, cauliflower and toge. Walang pagkakaiba ng pagkain natin sa Chinese food ay mas spices sila. Kumbaga, maraming ping ba guys? Yung mga pampalasang pagkain. Yung mga healthy na pampalasa. Masarap din yung pagkain nila guys, no? Talagang kung minsan lang yung iba sobrang anghang nga magluto. Pero masarap guys. Laojiang, say ni hao. Ni hao, ni hao. Laojiang will cook. This is melon. Guys, cauliflower na lang tapos na si Laojiang magluto. Kakain na kami ng dinner. So guys, ayun yung dinner. Kakain na kami. Kain tayo. So guys, tapos na kami mag-dinner. Sobrang sarap ng dinner namin. Kasi nga 'di ba maraming spices na nilagay si Laojiang. So approve. Napakain ko na rin yung mga aso guys. So bukas ulit guys. Thank you for watching. Always remember, don't forget that you are amazing. Bye bye.